I'm Vageesha and today I am at MASHOBRA. MASHOBRA is a tiny hill station close to Shimla and it's a beautiful, beautiful place. I'm really excited to show you this property which is Club Mahindra MASHOBRA, and I hope that you are going to enjoy this vacation as much as I am. So like I told you, I'm at Club Mahindra MASHOBRA and this resort has some really nice and comfortable rooms, some really yummy food, and along with that a lot of fun activities. Like if you can see, they have badminton, they have trampolines and this fun adventure activities, and they also have a fun zone which is indoor. So we are heading there next. So I'm at the garden or the fun activity area at Club Mahindra MASHOBRA, and you could just relax here in the garden, enjoy the lovely and pleasant weather, or you could just play a sport or just spend time with yourself. I'm at the fun zone in Club Mahindra MASHOBRA, and there are a lot of fun activities here for families. You can play TT, you can play pool, and you can play carom, and there's also a very cute little kids zone. You could also enjoy games like chess, Monopoly, air hockey, PlayStation, and kids bike. Kennedy House is the beautiful restaurant in the resort where every night there's a different theme dinner, like Bollywood night, Punjabi night, and so on. Let's check it out. So this is the tea lounge in the hotel lobby area. You could sit here, just enjoy the music, just look out at the scenery and order a cup of tea or coffee to enjoy your time. Now it's the time for my room tour. Let's take a look at the lovely and peaceful spa at the Club Mahindra Resort. Every small town in Himachal has some or the other colonial history attached to it. We all know that Shimla was the summer capital of the Britishers, and it is known that Mashobra was where they kept their stables, their horses, until finally somebody decided to convert it into a retreat. Mashobra is a great place to enjoy yourself and relax. It is far removed from the hustle bustle of Shimla and yet has some spectacular views and pleasant weather to offer.